I work with a lot of files every day. Like I'm constantly downloading, uploading, opening, you name it. And honestly, up until now, my workflow has sucked. Let me show you. So let's say I'm on the Kenny website and I intend to download one of their asset packs and then upload it to YouTube, not YouTube, but Discord right after. So what I do, I download it. I have to either open my file browser, go to downloads, and drag and drop it here so that it does recognize my file, or press the the plus button, and like go to downloads and open this file and then finally send it. So there was a lot of clicks involved there, and I don't like that. Let me show you another example. I recently recorded like a demo video of a project I made, and like let's say I just want to watch that demo again. So I have to open up Nautilus, figure out where the hell I put that file. I think it's probably around here, not even here, and then like go back to home and realize that I actually have to search it because I have no idea where it is, and finally here it is, and I open it. And like the disadvantage with this approach is that I just have to do a lot of thinking to find my file, and also when I do, I have to like ignore this part, whatever this is, and like either full screen this, or I don't know, close this other one. You can see this is not ideal, especially to me. So what I put together helps me do these things much faster. So with the Discord upload one, I can just press Shift F3, and like you can already see that all my files, or shall I say recent files, are just there. So I can press like down key and then press enter here, and here it is. I can just drag and drop it, and it's that easy. So for the other one, let's say I wanna play that asteroids demo again. So I press F3, just F3 this time, and I search for asteroids. Here it is. I just got the demo and opened it. Like how many seconds did that take? I don't think it's like it was more. It was probably a few keyword clicks, and then just worked in like 2-3 seconds, and most of the time I spent was just figuring out what the name was. So like it's that crazy, like very simple workflow, but like much faster. So in case you're curious how I achieved this, I basically have a base script for this, and of course this involves scripts. I probably used Arch back then, who knows. So here's the very simple script. So I index all my like main directories or XDG directories, and filter them by like uh, by file, so that non-files won't make their way in my list. And like I do a bit of magic to sort them based on like most recent, so that the file I just did something with is just up there, and then after it, like it is the second most recent and the third most recent, and you get the idea. So I did this, and whenever I just run recent in a terminal, it's just gonna index my entire like files that I have on my computer. Like it's a lot of files. Actually, I just became curious how many files there are. Yeah, It's about 2,400 files. So now, using this simple script, I can just make other scripts that do interesting things. Like one of them I made is I so far I've made these two scripts. One of them, the first one I showed you, that I dragged and dropped onto Discord, is recent drag. We just this script just pipes recent into B menu and then pipes the result into drag and drop. Really cool utility that which is like the window in the center of the screen that just allows me to drag and drop files. Probably I should show you. I don't know where it is. Drag and drop. Probably I can figure it out based on, yeah, here it is. Yeah, here this is. You can just install it, probably compile it. I don't remember how I installed it though. I think it's in the AUR anyways for you Arch user fellows. And then the other script is just recent open, very similar to the last one, but instead of piping it into drag and drop, I just take the first entry and XDG open it. So very simple scripts, though really useful workflow. Hope it helped you. You probably want to follow me on X, Utilyre, that's how it's pronounced. Follow me there. I post like updates about my work and do all kind of those things. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously like the video, do whatever. You can also follow my the things I do on GitHub. This is a cool project I did. Go ahead and start it. uh, Definitely not an ad, but like start this project and have a great day, I